In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Copilot in dark mode. If you prefer a darker interface that feels easier on the eyes, especially at night or during long work sessions, this is a quick setting you can change in just a few clicks. We'll be doing everything directly inside Microsoft Copilot, and the process is very simple once you know where to look. To begin, open Microsoft Copilot in your browser. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the main Copilot screen. This is where you'll find the chat interface and your account options. Next, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This profile area is where Copilot keeps your personal options and preferences. So if you ever need to adjust how the app looks or behaves, this is usually a good place to start. After that, a menu will appear. In that menu, click on Settings. This will open the section where you can control different parts of the Copilot experience, including its appearance. Once you're in Settings, find the Theme section. This is the area that controls whether Copilot uses a lighter or darker visual style. In the Theme section, click the downward arrow to open the list of available theme options. If you don't see it right away, just scan the Settings panel carefully because it may be grouped with other appearance options. When the theme choices appear, click on Night. As soon as you select it, Copilot should switch to dark mode right away. You'll notice the background become darker, which can make the interface feel more comfortable and reduce glare, particularly in dim environments. And that's it. You've successfully changed Microsoft Copilot to dark mode. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same settings area, open the theme drop-down again, and choose a different option. So remember the path. Open Copilot, click your profile in the bottom left corner, go to Settings, open the Theme menu, and select Night. A small tip before you go. If the change doesn't appear instantly, give the page a second to update. In some cases, refreshing the page can also help confirm the new look, but in most cases, the Night theme should apply immediately. Now you know exactly how to get Microsoft Copilot in dark mode quickly and easily.